Emotional speech, Senator Pia criticized the minority bloc, saying not even one senator checked on those trapped in the middle of the commotion inside the Senate.
Pagtingin ko ng group natin, yung dating majority group, walang ni isa sa inyong nangamusta sa amin. Some of you I've known for 20 years, 10 years, and I didn't even hear any of you say, kamusta na kayo dyan? Napakasakit nun sa akin. Sobrang sakit.
Before Senator Pia addressed the chamber, Senator Risa Hontiveros expressed disappointment over how the Senate appeared to be responding to the incident.
Sa loob-loob ko, hindi ako mapanatag na simula nung Lunes, ang ipinapakita natin ay para bang walang nangyari. Na para bang hindi nabastos ang ating institusyon, ang ating mga empleyado at ang mga Pilipino. Ganito na ba talaga kababa ang inabot ng ating politika sa Pilipinas? Ito na ba tayo, Mr. President? Tuluyan na bang nilihis ng politika ang ating mga pamantayan sa pakikipagkapwa?
She stressed that the shooting and incident caused serious damage to the dignity and credibility of the Senate, an institution long respected by the Filipino people.
The situation stooped so low that here, in and around these same august halls, may pwedeng magkasa ng barel sa harap ng mga sibilyan. Dear colleagues, kahit kailan, hindi yan nangyari sa Pilipinas. Kahit panahon ng kudeta, not even during the darkest days of martial law, did gunfire erupt within our halls. So, whether we stand in the minority or in the majority, the Senate, as an institution, has sustained a profound injury to its dignity, credibility, and moral authority before the Filipino people.
Hontiveros also emphasized that what happened inside the Senate was a grave act of disrespect and abuse, adding that lawmakers could not simply act as if nothing had happened. Senator Rodante Marcoleta was supposed to interpolate Hontiveros' speech, but Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano requested that discussions regarding the incident be deferred until Monday. Despite the move to postpone the discussion, tensions remained high as Senator Pia Cayetano continued to speak emotionally about the traumatic experience inside the Senate building.
Yes, I am very ready to share my story, to ask questions. Pero kung wala ho kayo dito, huwag niyong questionin yung mga nangyari sa mga nandito. Dahil nandito kami, kasama ng staff. Staff namin, Senate staff. You have your own story, I respect that. But please respect my own story.
Senator Hontiveros later clarified that her statement that it seemed like nothing happened referred to the Senate's overall response to the incident.
However, when I stated that it feels now as though walang nangyari, I was not speaking about our personal feelings. I was speaking about our institutional posture.
Thank you for
Our
that.
grief as senators is valid, but our mandate requires action.
Meanwhile, Senator Raffy Tulfo insisted that those responsible for the shooting and chaos inside the Senate building must be held accountable.
Although may mga putukan na narinig natin, ang nauna at inamin naman nung Sergeant at Arms and then gumantin taga-NBI, that's why I already made my pronouncement. Tama lang yung pagsuspindi dun sa yung Sergeant at Arms dito, and then dapat pati yung taga-NBI na gumanti para dapat silang parusahan.
Several senators have likewise agreed that an independent body should conduct a separate investigation into last week's incident inside the Senate to ensure an impartial probe. In an interview with 1PH's Sa Totoo Lang, Senator Risa Hontiveros said she and Senator Pia Cayetano remain on good terms after their emotional Senate exchange.
After we adjourned, nagkaroon kami ng focus para simulang paghandaan yung preparatory actions para sa impeachment trial. And nagkataong magkakatabi-tabi kaming lahat ulit. And okay naman. We were able to undertake that briefing together properly.